What up, y'all? This your boy Kelly B. Hey man, we finna get ready to test ride this 25th anniversary CVO. This is the bike that I want to get, the color scheme and everything. Ever since I seen this bike, this is the bike I wanted to get, y'all. It's already got the Khrome Werks 2-in-1 on the Outlaw system, and you know that's what I like anyway. Is Khrome Werks, those my people. So yeah, so we finna get on here and we finna get out here and take a ride on the new 2024 CVO, and we finna get it in. So we'll get up with you when we get on the ride. Let's go, baby. Okay.
So just keep that in mind.
So yeah, well, y'all, we
push this button to switch, and you can do it while moving.
Okay. So yeah, we finna get on the bike, and we finna get the rolling, baby. Hey man, hey, how we crank this thing up? I'm lost on the crank up right here.
Yep, and just push it. You don't have to hold it.
Oh, okay. Oh, that thing sounds good already. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh my God, yes sir. This is what I'm talking about right here. I gotta get used to the clutch. Yes sir, we on the brand new 25th anniversary Road Glide, baby. This is the color I want right here. Oh yeah, preload, baby, preload. Yes sir. This is my first test ride, and I'm following my dude Billy right here, who's gonna take me on a little tour on this sucker, man. Oh yeah, this got the heel toe shifter. This is the bike I want right here, and the color. Oh yeah, baby. I love that heel toe shifter, man. I got my Jordans on. You know I got to have my J's on, baby. I'm test riding the brand new 2024. I got my Jordan mid ones on, you know what I'm saying? I don't have my camera up on the dash. I left my other GoPro thing that where I could just clamp it on. I left that, so it's all good. But we're gonna get what we can get right here. It's a beautiful day, y'all. Look at this day. It's 80 degrees in Texas, and just the other day it was cold as heck, man. Oh my God, it's a cold front came in here. Just, oh man, it felt like winter, even though it is still winter. But yeah, but look at today. Look at this sun. Look at this. We blessed, man. Boy, this 2-in-1 Khrome Werks, I ain't missing nothing with that. Be honest, I'm not missing anything the way I feel this. The way I tell right now, I am not losing anything. The torque is there. The horsepower is there. And with them already having the Outlaw 2-in-1 on this, baby, this is what I would just leave it just like this. The seat don't feel too bad, but I am up on the tank. I'm 6'3", so I need to be scooted back just a little bit. Oh yeah, baby. Oh my gosh. I got to get this bike, y'all. I got to get this bike. This is the one, the 25th anniversary. If I go for the new Road Glide, this is the one right here with this color scheme. I fell in love with this color. If you could tell from my video that I shot, I fell in love with this color right off the bat, y'all. I love it. And one thing I like about it, I'm gonna tell you why I do like it. I'm gonna tell you the real reason why I do like it. I like it because everybody's going for the ST, the white bike. But this here, I told my wife, if I get another bike, I'm going all out. I'm not cutting no half steps or anything. I'm going all out. I'm getting what I want. And I'm getting a new bike. I'm not gonna even lie, I never had a brand new bike. Everything bike I bought been secondhand. I'm going all out. I'm gonna get the CVO where I don't have to touch it. I'm not gonna even touch the radio, y'all. I'm not, cause when I ride, I don't, you know, listen to a lot of music, y'all. I like the sound of the motor and the exhaust. I love that. So yeah, so this is it. And I'm not gonna do changing a lot of modes on here. right now. I'm just doing a test ride to see how it feels, because I know I'm not going to really get it anywhere where I can get a breakaway. Probably right over here I might, and let Billy pick it up a little bit faster, then I'm going to get on it. I love the way the grips feel, and they are heated. Yeah, everybody know, you know, I'm just doing my ride and telling you what I like about the bike. And I think I would leave the bars like they are. I would just raise them up just a little bit, just a hair, so I can get a little bit more straighter arm, you know, my arm a little bit straighter. But other than changing anything on here, I wouldn't. I know people are already putting T-bars and everything on here. Boy, this boy feel like it want to go in the air. Do you hear me? This baby sounds good with this Khrome Werks 2-in-1 Outlaw on it. Oh yeah. Yeah, Billy picked it up some, baby. We 67 right here. And I would change the windshield on here. That's it. I'm just trying to see where I'm feeling, if I'm feeling any wind, where I'm feeling the wind at, you know what I'm saying? But it's actually not too bad, but I do feel it just, I got my visor open at the top. Billy riding, baby. Billy wanted me to get it in, baby. Let's get it, Billy. Woo! Yeah, do y'all hear that Khrome Werks back there? What? I am not missing nothing. I got the 128 kit. Oh, baby. Good Lord, baby. This boy would get up and get it, baby. Oh, it's very torquey, y'all. This bike is very torquey. That's why I say I would do nothing to it. I don't think, you know, I know people do, you know, do things to their bike. You know, they pay for it. It's their bike. They do what they want to do. But me, nah, man. It's nothing you need to do with this 121 VVT right here. Oh, I'm loving it, man. I love the sparkles in the tank. I mean, in the dash. Let's get on it, baby. Oh, yeah. Oh, my gosh. Yeah, baby. Oh, this buddy sounds real good. Woo-woo. I'm excited about this one, y'all. I'm telling you, if you ain't test rode a 24, you need to go test ride it, baby. You definitely need to go get you a test ride in. I know it probably take a little while to learn the buttons, but I know me, I'm a fast learner, so I gotta get used to this cable clutch. I think it's a cable clutch. Is it? No, it's a hydraulic. Well, it's so far out too. That's another thing. My controls are actually a little bit closer. So, cause I got the adjustable levers on my bike, so it just, well, no, it's fine. It's fine. Y'all, it is a beautiful day, man. I'm finna get on this buddy, boy. We finna ride, baby. I got brand new tires on Khrome. Yeah, we finna ride. I might put the tool pack on, see if the wifey want to get on, and we ride out to Buc-ee's, baby. You know what I'm saying? You never can go wrong with Buc-ee's. They got this veggie burrito my boy Bobby B told me about that I need to go try out. Cause you know I stopped eating meat, y'all. And I stopped eating, drinking all this soda, and stopped eating bad food, man. Like when I get in my 18-wheeler now, my big truck, I just go, I get me some bananas, some oranges, or apples or something like that. And I get on it, baby. I'm trying to be healthy, man. I got a grandchild. I wanna be here for my grandchildren, man. You know, as long as I can. I got an uncle right now who was at church last Sunday, my Uncle Cal. He's 101, y'all, and still walking around with his health and strength, man. So yeah, let me talk to my dude. I love it, man. Hey, I wouldn't change nothing, to be honest. Probably just the seat. I don't feel a lot of wind coming from the visor, but I might, you know, if I get up to speed probably a little bit more, I probably would. But right now, and I actually hit 72, and I was cool. Hey, this baby is torquey, man. Very smooth. Oh my gosh.
I rode one the other day and I was like, oh yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, I love the way it sounds. It's already set up the way I want it, the 2-in-1. That's what I got on my bike now. You know, I'm a Khrome Werks man anyway. To heart, you know. Yeah. But I love it, man. I love the setup. I wouldn't even change the bars. I would just push them up just a little bit. Yeah, just a little bit, man. Maybe 2 inches. And we got the helicopter here, man. I'm telling y'all, it's a beautiful day out here, y'all. If you're not riding right now, I don't know what you're doing with yourself. But yeah, we finna get ready to hit it. This baby sounds good already, y'all. I'm excited about this, y'all. Hey, I might pull the trigger a little bit sooner than what I wanted to. Oh my God. Hey y'all, this thing is crazy, baby. Oh my God. I guess that S is for sport mode. Oh my God. Oh my Jesus. Hey, I'm gonna tell y'all this. Khrome is not going anywhere. This is just gonna be an add-on to the garage. An add-on. I am not getting rid of my bike. I put too much work, time, and heart. I don't care how many miles they get on it. If the motor mess up, I'm gonna upgrade to a crate 135 motor on that baby. So I am not trading nothing in at all. This is gonna be an add-on to my garage. That's what this is gonna be. And now I'm gonna have to make room in my garage. I'm gonna get me a shed built behind my house. Oh my gosh. I love it, y'all, because you can still see that you in first gear. Oh my God, you can't beat that. I hate have to come off, get on the clutch, come off the clutch and see what gear I'm in. I'm gonna get Billy. Oh, Billy, you better go, baby. You better go. You better go, baby. Yeah. Yeah, man. I sound like another professor when when I say yeah. I'm tripping, man. I'm tripping. I'm just enjoying life, baby. You know what I'm saying? Oh my God, this Khrome Werks is on point. Yes, sir. Yeah. Yeah. Yes, sir. I'm loving it. Oh man, preload, keep it loaded, baby. Hey man, how you turn this thing off? Oh my God, Wiley. Hey.
You like it or what?
Yes, sir. Oh my gosh. Hey, I ain't missing nothing with my 128 kit, bro.
Oh yeah, I mean, it's a different style of riding.
Yeah.
It really is.
And it's so freaking smooth, man.
Smooth and it's just there.
Oh, yeah.
So what, am I gonna prep this thing and get you ready for you to go or what?
Boy.
Just rolling content right now? Or what?
I'm rolling content and
You gonna make some content?
I'm trying. That's what I'm doing right now.
Hey, you gotta ask the viewers, hey.
Dude, that 2-in-1. It sounds like my freaking bike, dude. It sounds like my bike.
The thing is, it's the smaller motor.
Yeah. But dude, I'm not missing nothing. I can't tell, dude. Because it's a smoother ride, it's a lighter bike, and I cannot tell. It feels like I'm on my bike.
How lighter it is than your bike, right?
And the bars actually feel good too. I just raise them up maybe 2 inches. And the seat is okay if I raise the bars up a little bit. But I definitely...
The T-bars on this thing instead of your other bike.
Yeah, man. But yeah, dude. y'all. But yeah, I just want to come on here and show y'all that your boy finally got on here with the Khrome Werks Outlaw. Y'all, if you got Khrome Werks on your bike, dude, you cannot go wrong. You can't go wrong with the sound. You can't go wrong with the performance. It gives you all of that. So y'all, if you ain't got Khrome Werks 2-in-1, y'all go over there and hit my boy Jared up at Khrome Werks, man, and get you one of these systems. Or you can come by Black Gold Harley Davidson, and they got it in stock. I went back there a few minutes ago. They have everything in stock that you need. So yeah, if they need to order it, they would definitely get it to you. So yeah, man, that's gonna be it on this video. I appreciate y'all coming out and watch your boy. Check out the CVO. Oh my God, y'all, I'm impressed. I'm sold, I'm telling you. But this is the color that Kelly B will be going with when he upgrade. I ain't gonna say upgrade, when I add to the garage. When I add to the garage, Khrome will have a friend in the garage. I don't know what I would name this bike, but that's it, baby. I'm out, man. Y'all have a blessed one. Peace.